Hello, friends. Welcome back. Today, we're tackling something special, an Australian Optus device that's fully locked. You can see the model right on your screen. Now, this isn't just any device, it's completely locked to its network, and as you see, no SIM is working. Notice the no internet connection warning right there. First, let's give you a proper look at the device details. On your screen, you'll now see the exact model number and all specifications. That way you're certain we're working with the real deal. Now we're diving straight into the unlocking process. No time wasted. But before we start, here's the exciting part. We offer a professional online remote service. Yes, you can get your device unlocked from the comfort of your home. All you need to do is contact us on WhatsApp. We'll handle the unlocking, and our charges are super reasonable. This video, it's proof that everything happens online. In fact, the device you're watching right now, it belongs to a customer who's having it unlocked remotely as we speak. So if you want yours unlocked, message us at the WhatsApp number provided. Now you'll notice the flashing process has begun. It can take a few minutes, so we'll fast forward here. And there you go, the flashing is complete. Now we'll reboot the device, open its interface, and let's see what happens. Look at that, the customer has inserted a Vodafone SIM, and now the signals are up and running. The device is officially unlocked for all networks. So that wraps up today's video. If you've got a locked device, don't hesitate. Contact us via WhatsApp and we'll sort you out. Until the next video, take care of yourself. Goodbye.